Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a quick technical update here for Jasmy, and trust me, this one matters because after a strong breakout earlier this month, the momentum is fading and now we're testing critical support. So let's take a look at what's playing out on the charts here. So right now, Jasmy is currently trading at 0.01369. In the last 24 hours, price took a hit here for 2%. Also, volume is down 30%. So there's a lot of activity happened in the last 24 hours. Now, when we take a look here in the last couple of days, we can see that Jasmy pulled back after getting rejected at our 61% of our Fibonacci level around 0.01594. Now, this zone here has clearly become a resistance level, and now the price is hovering right around our 32% of our Fibonacci at 0.01301, which is now going to be acting as a key area the support of Jasmy. Now, when we look at some of our indicators, the MACD indicator here is still in bullish territory, but it is also weakening as well as these histograms are getting smaller and fading in color as well. So it does look like that Jasmy is in a indecisiveness right now. We can see in the last two candlestick sessions, these smaller bodied candlesticks really show that tug between the bulls and the bears at the moment right now. Normally we would typically see some bullish reversal candlesticks, but we don't quite see them right now. It all depends if this 50 moving average here and the 38% of our Fibonacci is going to hold to be able to see another playback towards an area of resistance. Now, again, the 50 moving average is going to be a key area here in terms of our support, which is acting as very critical. As long as we're able to stay above this line, the bulls also have a chance to retest the 50% of our Fibonacci level at 0.01448, or slightly above that if we take a look at our previous candlesticks back on March 10th. The immediate support below that 50 moving average, if the bulls aren't able to defend this area, we're going to be looking at the 38% of our Fibonacci. Now, when we look at the RSI itself, it is showing us some neutral areas, meaning that there's no bullish momentum here, but there's no bearish momentum, hence the last two candlesticks with these smaller bodies. Now, bottom line here, Jasmy is at a decision point. If the price itself is not able to maintain the 38% of our Fibonacci, unfortunately, this uptrend itself or an attempt for an uptrend for Jasmy ultimately does get weakened as the correction is going to make a steeper correction closer to our 20 moving average, and that will be our secondary line of support here. This is very crucial as well because when we zoom out, we can see supporting areas of support dated back to that March 10th and later in that March. So this would be our second line of support here, but when we look at that steeper correction, it does lose that momentum of a potential uptrend here for Jasmy. But definitely let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Do you think we're able to hold that 38% or equivalent to the price of 0.013? Or do you think this uptick in volume for Jasmy was just temporary and now we're going to see the price to continue downwards? But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Like and subscribe as well, but I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.